Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be working on my 2021 Road Glide Special today. I'm going to be adding a heel toe shifter because Harley doesn't give you one. But it'll be an instructional video, so remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. First step in the installation is removing the toe shifter. To do this, you'll need an 1.25" Allen key and an 11mm wrench. Once the bolt is removed, simply pull the shifter off and remove the spacer. This part number is for the 2021 Road Glide Special in black. Next, insert the peg stud into the rubber peg shifter. Loctite comes pre-applied to the peg stud. Next, use a 1/4" Allen key to tighten the peg stud. Install the small spacer that was supplied with the kit.
Front first. Align your splines to your desired height.
Now is a good time to test fit where the shifter is. It's a matter of personal preference. Loosely reinstall the bolt. Be sure that it coincides with the indent in the shaft. Insert the heel shifter. Be careful of the splines. You're going to align it to your personal preference. Next, insert the bolt in the nut. You can go ahead and tighten it up at this point. When you do, you just want to make sure that the shaft is level to the end of the lever. This allows everything to line up properly. Remember to tighten the bolt for the toe shifter. Alright guys, this finishes up that installation. Check your work and make sure everything is as it should be. Hey you! Remember to hit that subscribe button.
And check out our featured videos.